What's up guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech, and in this video we are doing a gaming review, battery drain test and heat test of Vivo Y73. Before we start, here are the specifications. It comes with 6.44-inch AMOLED Full HD Plus resolution display in 20:9 aspect ratio. It supports HDR10 and has peak brightness of 570 nits. It packs Helio G95 processor with Mali G76 MC4 GPU. It comes with 8GB RAM with 3GB extended RAM and 128GB storage. It has multi-turbo and ultra game mode. Powering all this, there's 4000 mAh battery and it comes with 33-watt flash charger in the box. And it has a single bottom firing speaker. Now here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. This is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is at 87%. There's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Now let's check the temperature before we start. On the front it is 31 degrees, on the bottom it is 32 to 33 degrees, on the back it is 31 degrees, and on the bottom it is 31 degrees again. Now I'll start the timer and start with Asphalt 9. The visuals are great, the details are pretty good, and the controls are also pretty smooth. There is minimal lag, but that's negligible. Overall, it is definitely playable. So it's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 35 to 36 degrees, on the bottom it is 34 degrees, on the back it is 35 to 36 degrees, on the bottom it is fluctuating from 34 to 36 degrees. Next I'm going to play Modern Combat 5. The visuals are great, the details are great, you can easily see the blood spills and other particles, and the controls are pretty smooth. There is minimal to no lag. Overall, it's definitely playable. It's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 36 to 37 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees, on the back it is 36 degrees, on the bottom it is 35 degrees. Next I'm going to play Call of Duty. These are the graphics settings. Very high graphics and very high frame rate are the highest setting available, so I'll be playing in that. There's also max frame rate, but the graphics come down to high, so currently not using that. Now let's go back to the game. As you can see, the visuals are great, the details are pretty good, and the controlling is also good. There's minimal to no lag. It's been 6 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 40 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 degrees, on the back it is 39 degrees, on the bottom it is 36 degrees. Overall it's been 16 minutes. Now the battery came down to 83% and the phone feels warm, not that hot. So for approximately 16 minutes of gameplay, the phone consumed 4% of battery, which is nice. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures with front and rear cameras for 3 minutes and then check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes. Let's check the temperature. On the front, it is 44 degrees. On the bottom, it is 37 degrees. On the back, it is fluctuating from 40 to 43 degrees. On the bottom, it is 36 degrees. Now the phone feels hot, but not too hot. Now I will use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 335 photos in 3 minutes, which is pretty good. And there is no throttling going on. Overall, the gaming experience has been great. The visuals and graphics were really good and there was minimal to no lag. So basically you get a pretty good gaming experience. So guys, that's pretty much it for the video. If you have any suggestions or comments, or if you want us to make any specific video, comment down below or tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you next time.